Dear students, welcome and congratulations on being selected for the Phase 2 of Samved, a smart governance hackathon. You are already aware of the hackathon process, which began with the registration on 9th of February. You also submitted your ideas on 20th Feb, whose results you received around 25th of February. Now, we will talk about the expectations and deliverables for the prototype evaluation, which is scheduled during 23rd and 28th of March 2026. Please note, the shortlisted teams from this phase will eventually head to the final in-person contest at MIT Vishwaprayag University, Solapur during April 15th and 16th. So far, we have completed several crucial stages of the hackathon process. Today, we will discuss about the prototype evaluation between 23rd and 28th of March 2026. Kindly note that this is an online evaluation of a solution. This phase will have two-phase evaluation. The first one will be pre-screening and the second one will be the evaluation. Here you see the critical timelines of the prototype evaluation phase. On or before March 22nd, 5 p.m., you are required to submit a report and a video showcasing your solution. These, the video and the PDFs shall be evaluated on March 23rd to 25th, during which we will shortlist 7 to 8 submissions out of the 15 that have been submitted for every problem statement. Subsequently, on March 26th, we will communicate the results to all the teams. We will also communicate the schedule and expectations of online presentations to the selected 7 to 8 teams from each problem statement. Subsequently, on March 28th, Saturday, the online presentations from 7 to 8 teams shall be held, from which a team of experts shall shortlist 5 teams for each problem statement. Lastly, we will communicate the results of all teams along with expectations of final deliverables on March 29th. As you now know, the phase 2 involves two stages. One is the pre-selection offline evaluation, which will be based on your video and report. The final evaluation will be the live evaluation that will be held on Saturday. Before that, I'd like to share with you the evaluation criteria of the prototype. Please note that the phase 2 focuses on converting the shortlisted idea into a proof of concept that is aligned with the problem statement. Hence, we have the following criteria. The first one, the clarity with which your proof of concept implements the objectives, functions, and constraints that you have defined for your problem statement in phase 1. Second, technical feasibility. 3, elements of innovation. And 4, on-field deployment. Here, you see the expectations from the report that you will submit to us. Please note that these are representative elements we want you to include in your report. It begins with the problem recap and SMC context, literature review, objectives, functions and constraints mapping, highlights of innovation, system architecture, subsystem interaction matrix, prototype description, technology stack and tools employed, results, deployment plan, and finally, limitations and future scope. Please note that the deadline for submitting the report is March 22nd, 2026. The page limit shall be 10 to 12. Detailed guidelines will be available on the portal. You will also be sharing with us a declaration signed by the students and mentor. The first one is about you being a bona fide student of the university. Second, that the work that you're submitting to us is original, unplagiarized, and not AI generated. Let me now quickly share with you the expectations for the video. The video must clearly address the following in the order. Problem recap, mapping of objectives, functions and constraints as submitted in the phase 1, architecture and systems flow, live demo or a prototype walkthrough, technical feasibility and deployment plan for SMC, followed by innovation. The timelines that we have mentioned here are representative, but please note your entire video should not exceed more than 10 minutes. So with these brief guidelines, on behalf of the team Samved, I wish you all the best.